In this video, I'm going to explain how to dispute a charge on Chime. So over here, you have their official website, their help desk, and you can see how to do this. So you can do this in two ways, either via the Chime app or via the phone. So if you're using the phone and you're trying to contact them about an issue with a transaction, to dispute a transaction, or to report any unrecognized activity on your Chime account, you have to call them at this number over here at any time. They will pick up, and you just have to essentially explain what's going on, and they will help you out. So that's the first way. And the second one is by using their Chime mobile app. You have to follow these steps. So on your home screen, tap the account with the transactions you want to view, and then you'll see a list of your recent transactions. The top of the list will show any pending transactions or transactions that the merchant hasn't yet fully processed. Then what you want to do is find the transaction you want to dispute, and then you have to tap problem with this transaction and follow the prompts on your screen. You can also check the status of your dispute in the app after you file it, and over here you can read more about it. So if I open up this website, as you can see, you have to tap disputes on the home screen, and then you have to find your dispute ticket by choosing between open and closed tab. You have to click view details and then tap this button beside the charge to see the accurate timeline view of the disputed transaction. So that's pretty much it. That's how to dispute a charge on Chime. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.